Now, what a car this is for the money. The fact that this car is priced at $38,990 today is unbelievable. The spec, the drive, the way it looks. Range Rover Sport, it's powered by a 3-litre diesel V6. It's a HSE Dynamic as the core spec. 2020, done 39,000 miles, but then it's got boatload of options over and above what was already the top spec at the time. Sliding roof, electric tow bar, heated and cooled seats, heated wheel. The way it looks for me, for that value, is unbelievable. You've got the engine, you've got the style. So the HSE Dynamic gives it colour-coded bumpers. The colour is Santorini Black. Black badges with it having the black packs. You've got that full stealthy look. LED lights to the front. You've got front and rear sensors and a camera as well, which I'll show you on the interior. First option, upgraded 22s, multi-spokes in gloss black, and you've got those red brake calipers that sit behind, just breaking up that colour. Sliding roof wasn't standard on a HSE when this car was built and launched. You've got fixed side steps as well, which are brand new. They've just been fitted. Interior, I absolutely love. So you've got ivory interior, but you still have the contrast of the black accents in there. So on the rear of the seats, the headrest, the door cards, Meridian sound system. And these cars are a huge 5-seater. You'll notice you've got heated seats on the 2 outer seats as well, and you've got ISOFIX points as well. So perfect family SUV. And when you're comparing prices towards other brands, the value that this represents is unbelievable. Good boot space, nice style. You've got that huge fixed spoiler. Electric tow bar, quite a rare thing to find on a Range Rover Sport of this age. All factory as well. You've got air suspension from the back. So if you are the sort of person who has, older dog always pops to mind for me. So if you have an older dog that needs help getting in and out of the car, you can do it via there. Putting suitcases in, shopping, whatever it is, electric tow bar will come out. You'll tow pretty much whatever you want with that 3-litre diesel V6. Full side is all colour coded. So if you have a look, we had one in recently which was a HSE Silver Edition. They have a bit of a contrast, but this all in black, which is the colour that is the most popular in Range Rover Sports, to be honest. Then if you have a look at the cockpit, so again, you've got that comparison between ivory, black leather, but then you've also got the black fascia, all in gloss black, which again, just gives it that really nice feel. Now, when you jump in, you've got absolutely everything at your fingertips. So a modern day HSE, the latest model, would have a lot of these features as standard, so don't get confused and think that this age HSE wouldn't have them. This has them as options, so it's got everything you'd possibly want. Heated wheel as an option, lane keep assist will be standard, but you've got your digital dash. Just under, or just over 39,500 miles, but again, it's a car that's been very well looked after. Meridian sound system if you're into your music. The roof, not only is it got a pan roof, it's an opening sunroof, so a lot of them don't open or they're fixed. The seats that I'm sat on, yes, they're ivory leather. They are heated, cooled, electrically adjustable with memory setting function, which you'll see on the door. The heated and cooled segment is all controlled from down here. So heated, cooled, again, an option on a HSE of this age. If I pop it into reverse, rear view camera, you've got your front and rear sensors. So if this is a car where you're going up in size, you don't need to worry, you've got help with that. With it being a dynamic, you have air suspension, but then you also have a dynamic driving mode as well. So specific just to make it handle a little bit sportier. These are a big car, but they do move and they do drive very well. Your 2-screen system, top's where your navigation, media, telephone, everything else is controlled from. Down the bottom is where your climate control and your vehicle settings are. And you've got plenty of space, cup holders, USB chargers, everything like that. So again, unbelievably good looking family SUV, or even if you just want a good looking SUV, this will tick the boxes for you. Great condition, it's physically here, physically available, as we always say, because some cars are due in, but this is here today. So if you're interested, to recap, 2020, 39,000 miles, HSE Dynamic with a litre of options over and above them. So it's a great buy for someone. If you're interested, feel free to give me a ring. You'll find my number in the description or down in the comments. My name is Paddy. Give us a call. I'll answer any questions that you've got.